This is a brief video on folds, kind of follow up the fault videos that I showed previously. So what happens with a fold is when rock layers bend, and this is ductile deformation. This occurs pretty deep beneath the Earth's surface. There are two basic types of folds, and there are two ways to identify them. So an anticline involves an arched fold. The limbs, the side of the fold, dip away from the center, and also the rocks increase in age towards the center of the fold. So they get older towards the center. This diagram at the top, this is an anticline, and you can see how the fold is arched and the limbs dip away from the center. Conversely, a syncline is a downfolded trough where the limbs dip towards the center of the fold, and here the rocks are younger towards the center of the fold. We'll get to the age in the last slide here. So this fold right here, you can see how the rock layers are downfolded and the limbs dip towards the center of the fold. Here are two folds. You have a syncline on the left, as you see the limbs dip towards the center of the fold. And over on the right side, the right-hand fold, you see the limbs dipping away from the center. And this is an anticline. Anticlines and synclines associate themselves with one another. And in a lot of instances, they share a common limb, like this limb in the middle here. Now, if we use the age of rock layers, I have an example here. We have three horizontal layers, A, B, and C. And if we use the principal superposition, A, since it is on the bottom, is the oldest, and C, since it is on the top, is the youngest. Now we're assuming there's no deformation or anything to overturn the folds. If we downfold the layers, here's A, here's B, here's C, we see that as we go towards the center of the fold, we are going from oldest to youngest, indicating that we have a syncline here. So the layers dip towards the center and the age of the rock becomes younger towards the middle. If we arch these three layers, so we're doing the exact opposite that we did previously, A, B, C. So here we're going from the outer edges younger, and we're increasing towards the center. And this is an anticline. This will help you with the geology mapping exercise when we're identifying the folds based on the age.